So for anybody who wants to build a crane like this, you'll see exactly how we do it and what the parts are. So here we go. Okay. That's where our TV is going to be. We put a washcloth and taped it up on the very top, so if we bump the ceiling, we don't leave a mark. Now we've got to take some of this 1.5 inch lumber and pick the crane up. You see how close we are to the ceiling. Just to explain the ladder, part of this Masterclass, this is not set up as a standard ladder. If we didn't have a crane boom, we didn't have the chain hoist on it, and it sat as a regular step ladder, your center of gravity would be right here. However, we have the ladder set forward, which is what you can do with a multi-use ladder. We set it like this to give us room with our crane boom. But the problem is, our center of gravity is probably about here right now. Now you take the crane boom and you pick up a load, your center of gravity is here, and once it's over the front legs, your ladder is going to tip forward. The way to solve it is to put counterweight back here. Think of me being on here like this. By putting counterweight, you can pick up probably 200 pounds over there, and this ladder is not going to move. But this is how we solve it. We're going to roll it over here. By picking it up with 2 straps, it's way overkill, but it prevents any accidents from happening. Okay, so we're all set here. So here's our simple trick. I'm just going to run this forward. Now the dynamics of the ladder have changed. The ladder is set up in the forward fashion. We've got a crane boom here. Now we've got weight over here. I can actually climb up here right now, and the ladder's not tipping. That's why we have counterweight. Okay, so we're going to keep this set up here. Now, very important, we could just go ahead and jack this thing up and get ready to go. But we have to make sure the crane is ready. And being on video, we want to be extra vigilant about it. So we're going to talk about the crane in detail from top down. First off, you see how close we are to the ceiling. We have to be careful. Secondly, we've got a hoist attached to one of the rings. Third, if you notice, we've got about this much space between the TV and the bottom of the hoist. That gives us plenty of room to go up and down. When you follow the boom back, you'll see something new here. We've got a boom brace that we put on here. It's 51 inches long. It's anchored by a Simpson bracket up top with some screws. And what it does is it directs the force from the boom right down onto this ladder rung, which then directs it down to the floor. And what we did here is we just pressed this brace in, and we just did 6 wraps of shrink tape. There are 2 cleats, and the crane boom is actually anchored under this ladder rung. It goes over the other. And then this boom rests on this top rung here, but by using this brace, we're taking a lot of force off of that top rung, making this thing really strong. The most important thing on this crane is the counterweight. We've got almost 50 pounds of counterweight in the back, and that takes the center of gravity from here and brings it back underneath the crane. And that's why we can lift the TV. Here we go. There. Did you catch that?
Yes, we got it.
The TV is now swinging free. Now that we're touched down, we're going to go ahead and disconnect the crane. Mary, can you get this shot in here?
Absolutely.
Okay. And that's it. The TV's safely on the ground. So we need to hook that to the Wow, that hooked just about in the same place. That's amazing.
That's cool.
Okay, here we go. And make sure everything is good. We're going to start the hoist. And now you can see we get her plumbed up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift it about 1 inch off the ground, and I'm just going to let it wait. And then I'm just going to check everything and make sure we're good. And there it is. The TV's on the mount. I'm going to take that camera, and it's hooked right in on the dog. And this is locked right here. The first thing we're going to do is just take a little bit of weight off. We never want to be in a rush to lift or lower something with a crane. All right, so now we've got the weight off of it. We're just giving it a second just to make sure if something happens, we're still hooked up. But everything looks great. That's perfect. All right, so we are now unhooked from the crane.
The great unveiling.
And there it is. Let's disassemble the crane and make room to work. How about that?
Oh, I think that's a great idea.
And I'm going to unscrew this brace and take this off first. The hallmark of this crane is that it's easy to take apart, easy to put together. So it really, really is nice. All right. And let's see if we can take the boom off now. We may not be able to. There we go. Boy, does this come apart nice, huh?
Oh, doesn't it?
There it is, all done.